My name is Kevin Sen, and I'm a solution architect with Faith Technologies, Inc. FTI is a nationally recognized automation system integrator, electrical system solution provider, and electrical construction firm. We're headquartered in Wisconsin. We have 2,500 employees and 15 locations in the U.S. We serve many industries, including food and beverage, pulp and paper, plastics, metals and chemical processing, and power generation. We have an entire business unit within FTI called NTech that is focused on renewable energy, sustainable fuels, and microgrid technologies. We offer a full menu of design, consultation, automation, and project management services. And with more than 600,000 square feet of manufacturing space, we provide a variety of electrical systems, including custom low and medium voltage power control solutions, UL 508A panels, and electrical construction kits. I like to say that FTI is truly one hand to shake for our customers. From the early stages of concept development and budgeting of their project, to engineering and fabrication, with on-site installation, commissioning, and support services throughout the life cycle of the asset. As a full end-to-end project execution partner, we bring unique efficiencies and therefore unique financial value to our clients. FTI has a long-standing relationship with Rockwell Automation, and we leverage their broad technology offerings and talented resources in the deployment of the solutions that we deliver. We work side by side with Rockwell, our supply chain partners, and our clients to ensure success for all. Please consider calling Faith Technologies for your next project.